Good morning, guys. So today me and Mauka will be hiking the Makiki Valley Trail. It's about a 3-miler. It's part of the Honolulu Mauka Trail system, and we're here by the Hawaii Nature Center, and it's currently 7:23 in the morning. And I'm actually surprised, but the small parking lot here, it's about full, like 80% full. I decided to park along the main road. So yeah, get here early if you plan on hiking one of the trails up here. There's just like at least a dozen of them that you can do. It's basically along the Tantalus Cliff. But yeah, this one should be a dog and family friendly hike. Mauka's eager. Yeah, Mauka? Oops, wrong way. So when you reach the gate, there are signs to go around the gate. But this is what we're going to be doing today. You're going to go clockwise. That's actually the easier way to do. Because if you go counter, you're going to go up immediately. You're going to go up Kanialole Trail, cross to Makiki Valley, and then go down the Manalaha Trail. So it should be about 3 miles. It's been a while since we've been hiking. Long story short, we had a lot of family trips back to back, and in between me and Eric had COVID. So yeah, finally outdoors. I'm just happy. It's quite humid, there's no wind. Hopefully the winds will pick up. And one thing about this trail is it's shaded for the most part. There's a lot of chickens here. Uh-oh. There's a rooster.
The hike officially starts near the restroom just behind the Hawaii Nature Center's Education Center. I always remembered coming here during my elementary days for service learning. I'll be putting a link below as I encourage you, if you have keiki or little kids, to check their website. They have awesome programs for your little ones, including camp opportunities.
A little side view to the waterfall. Again, there's a lot of signs on this trail, so we're going clockwise. If we go the other way, it's harder. Okay, boy, let's go. Here is the start of Kanialole Trail. See, here's our first plant sign. This is the a'ali'i, and it's kind of baby still. Protect Preserve Hawaii Pia Valley has a lot of a'ali'i. Coming across the bridge. As soon as you cross the second bridge, just hear high-pitched crickets. I do want to say it's a steady uphill. Nothing like super steep, but it's just gradual. Wow, looking back, it's just so lush green. Beautiful valley. Okay, we just came across the first junction. We're gonna go right, and again, there's a lot of trail signs since it's under Nalehele, so very detailed. This section, once you turn right, the trail gets really wet. It's pretty muddy, slick rocks, so watch your step. Very humid today. This is kind of the first point where you can see the other ridge from across, and deep down the valley you can kind of see the Waikiki and stuff, so hopefully there's another opening. But gosh, it is very humid today. This trail doesn't have much views, it's just valley, but we're coming across a section of strawberry guava now. It's the first time we're seeing this on the trail. So here, lots of strawberry guava. I've been in the shade for like the whole time. The only thing is though, there's mosquitoes, like I already got bit. So maybe put on mosquito repellent. Mauka, look, check out all this banyan tree around you. This one's huge right there. This other banyan tree, it's huge. Right after all these banyan trees, you can immediately smell the ginger flowers. And they're in bloom. I mean, it's invasive, but you can use it. A lot of people use it for lei. Can even use it for shampoos full of vitamin E. Yeah, you see all these flowers. It smells very, very fragrant. Another sign. Ooh, downhill. Okay, we're going up again. Up and down, up and down. We're reaching another sign. When we got to that junction, a couple just came up this Mauna Loa trail and the lady was gasping, man. So yeah, this section of the trail is much harder. It's the hardest part of the loop. So glad we're going down it. And yeah, we're just going down. Yeah, Mauna Loa, it's just going down and it's more woody out in the woods and more light actually. You could see clearly the ridge on our left as we go down. Mauka, are you having fun? Yeah? You're having fun? Yeah. What are you looking at? Here you can clearly see buildings into the horizon. You can see the whole ridge and wide open sky. So we're back at the beginning where either you can go right to go counterclockwise or go left, which that's the way we went clockwise. So yeah, this is it. Done with the Mauna Loa trail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully one day you guys are able to check out this trail again. I think it's family dog friendly. It's just a nice stroll in the shade. So yeah, until then, next time, aloha.